If your Nintendo Switch power button isn't working or it just won't turn on, don't panic. This can happen due to wear and tear, a stuck button, or even a temporary software glitch. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the power button if you can, repair it yourself, or give you some guidelines on what you can do. Let's get started. Fix 1. Test the power button firmly. First, make sure you're pressing the power button firmly and correctly. It's located on the top edge of the console, next to the volume buttons. Press and hold it down for 15 seconds. Sometimes it just needs a harder press due to wear. If the screen turns on, great, you're good to go. If not, let's try some other things. Fix 2. Clean around the button. If it still doesn't respond, the button may be stuck or dirty. Use a soft brush, dry toothbrush, or cotton swab. Gently clean around the edges of the power button. Avoid any liquid cleaners. Just a dry clean. Now try pressing and holding again for 10 to 15 seconds. Fix 3. Try charging first. Sometimes the console doesn't respond because it's fully drained. Plug in your Switch and let it charge for at least 15 to 30 minutes. For better results, let it charge for an hour. Then try pressing the power button again. If it turns on, the issue was just a dead battery. Fix 4. Open with the home button. If your power button is physically broken or completely unresponsive, you can use your home button. This is a Pro Controller or Joy-Con wake feature. Make sure your Switch is in sleep mode, not fully shut off. Then press the home button on your paired Pro Controller or right Joy-Con. If the Switch lights up, that's your new power method. But remember, this only works if the system was already asleep, not fully powered off. These were just a few viable options. If your Switch power button is unresponsive after trying these fixes, I highly recommend you to reach out to a repair shop to fix your power button. Hope this tutorial helped you out, and let me know if you need further help in the comments.